right, Scorpios, here we go. Bottom of the deck, I have the Three of Pentacles reversed. So this is telling me, yeah, somebody feels like things may not improve between the two of you. Because there was some type of breakup here. Somebody ended things, ended the relationship. And see, somebody now is trying to figure out what to do. Because they need to make a decision. Tell me more. There's Justice reversed. So somebody could be dealing with a... excuse me, I don't know why my voice is going out. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. If not, somebody's trying to get out of some type of situation, whether it's a relationship, a marriage, some type of legal situation. Somebody's trying to remove themselves out of it. Tell me more. Yep. In order to have a new beginning. Clarify the Empress, please. Because, yeah, they feel like there's no balance in the situation. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but someone is wanting things to improve. Somebody's definitely wanting things to improve, but they feel stuck. And they're frustrated. Why? Because they want to give you an offer, but they feel like you're going to turn it down. They feel like you're going to reject this offer. Tell me more. Oh, he's going to land like that. Hold on. Yeah, see what I'm saying? There's definitely an offer coming in for you, Scorpio. Somebody's coming in to give you this secure offer, but they're scared that you're not going to take it. Tell me more. Scorpio, you could be dealing with another Scorpio, but I feel like, yeah, this person feels like you're not going to have a new beginning at all. Due to the fact that they did break your heart, there was a third party here, but I feel like this person removed themselves from a situation. And they don't, because it's like they don't want you to walk away. They know that they messed up. They know that they didn't bring stability in the situation between the two of you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. Somebody also could be dealing with an Aquarius, but this person they're not holding on to hope. They're scared like it's over because, yeah, you shut down. They feel like you're no longer going to open up to them. They know that they hurt you. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or another Scorpio. But they're trying to figure out how to win you back. See, I told you, they're coming back to turn things around. Look, ooh, there's the King and the Queen of Cups. Definitely soulmate here. Somebody's definitely dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. Somebody's trying to figure this out. But whoever you're dealing with, Scorpio, this person has a hard time of expressing their emotions. So it's like, y'all are on the same page. You see, y'all both are reversed. It's like y'all are mirroring each other. So it's like both of y'all are sad. Nobody's trying to speak up. Nobody's trying to show emotions. If you're the one that's always trying to fix the relationship, the marriage, whatever the situation is that you're in, it's like you're tired of that. So it's like you're hanging back because you want this other person to step up, and you're absolutely correct. Whoever has been the one who's been messing up and they're just quiet, they have to step up. And that's a part of their lesson. You're absolutely correct if you're, holding back. And see, I feel like this person, whoever's been the one that's messing up, they're coming out of being frustrated. They're coming out of not speaking their truth because I feel like they want to come and talk to you. Yeah, see, they're letting it go. They're letting go of that fear of not speaking their truth. But in order for that to happen, remember I told y'all they had to remove themselves from some type of third party. They did walk away from that. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn here. Tell me more. But you guys look at this person like I don't know if I even want to take this person back or work something out because they always have other options, or I'm just not liking what I see when it comes to this individual. I don't have a happy home with this person. You don't see anything improving, and I feel like that person is scared that you're not going to give them the opportunity to show you that they can improve. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius, but I feel like they look at you as someone who's positive, and they want to balance things out with you. I told you, they want to work on things, but they're scared they're not going to be able to have a victory with you. This person definitely wants to start over and build something solid with you. Yeah, look, they want to balance things out. They choose you. They want to put in 100% of the effort now to fix this relationship. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But they're having a hard time. They definitely want a new beginning with you, but they know that this offer they have to give you, it is small. because you don't trust them. And see, they're regretting everything that they put you through. When I say everything, everything, okay? They're regretting it all. But they want to come back and fix things. This person was moving slow. And now it's like, they're coming out of that slow energy because they know they had you waiting. They had you holding on. They're coming back with an apology. But right now, they're just not confident within themselves, Scorpio. And this is why they're not really talking. There is really no communication. See, they're taking it day by day. And they're going to come out of feeling frustrated. Excuse me. But see, they're not content. They honestly may not be content with their finances. But for some of them, it's just like they're not content with how they treated you. How they behaved throughout this whole situation. And I feel like they can't stop thinking about what they did to you in the past, and this is why they want to rush back in. I do feel like this person that you were dealing with could have been being a player, and that's why it was like a lot of that hot and cold, in and out energy that you felt from this individual. Some of you guys could have been dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But the way the King of Swords just came out, it's like this person could have had like a nasty attitude towards you. They could have been being harsh. And this is why a lot of you guys wanted to cut this person off if you didn't. But some of you did cut this person off. And I feel like they don't want you to cut them off. But they're not using their intuition. Tell me more. Yeah. Because, see, they know they need to come back towards you to give you this offer. But they do feel like you deserve better. They feel like you deserve better. And they're holding back giving you this offer. And that's why they're not using their intuition. Because I feel like Spirit is saying they need to go. They need to just go ahead and speak up. But they're not right now. I feel like when they think of you, you do make them happy. But at the same time, you're focusing on yourself. Because they need to clean up their act. Some of you guys could be dealing with an earth sign. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Why is the Tower here? Yeah, something came crashing down. And this is why you guys felt left out in the cold by this individual. Tell me more. I'm telling you, there was some harsh communication here. And someone decided not to put in the work. This was done to you guys like y'all are tired. You're not tolerating this nonsense. And this person knows, and this is why they're scared that they're not going to be able to have a new opportunity with you. So it's like they want to move forward with you. And some of you guys could be dealing with a Cancer, but they want to move forward with you, but you're going to come off like the Queen of Swords. Like, you're done. No nonsense. You're tired of playing these little games. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but you're not sure if you should take the leap to fix it with this person. And this person, I feel like they've been talking to someone, trying to figure out how to win you back, but they want to take the leap, but at the same time, they're not. And they're sad. Somebody is definitely going through a financial situation where they took some type of hit with their money. But I feel like, even though this person isn't being positive about winning you back, Scorpio, they are going to communicate to you that they want to have this new beginning with you. They want to fix this. But right now, they are isolating themselves. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Virgo. They're isolating themselves due to a breakup, or they're feeling like if some of you guys are married, they're feeling like you don't want to work things out in your marriage anymore. I am picking up for some of you guys, if you're dealing with someone, let's say that was married or is married, they're trying to get out of that situation first. Tell me more. And this is why someone feels stuck trying to figure out what to do, because, yeah, there was a lot of secrets here. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Pisces, but there was just a lot of secrets, a lot of lies that were told. Yeah, see what I'm saying? I feel like somebody was stuck in a situation. They're trying to get out of it, but somebody just doesn't have a peace of mind right now. And they just don't have the strength to fix this. I'm not sure if I said somebody could have been dealing with a Taurus. I got a Pisces and a Leo here. Yep, there's a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But whoever messed up, they're getting ready to take the initiative to come back. But they know that they were being very childish and immature. And I feel like that's what's holding them back. Yeah, see, they're frustrated because they're replaying their actions. And look, I told you, they cause an imbalance between the two of you in your relationship. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. But this is why they're hesitating. And they're keeping a close eye on you. Because they don't want you to leave them. At all. They don't want you to move on. There's the Wheel of Fortune. I feel like this person is going to learn a lesson. They want to move forward with you, but they're undecided about how they should go about doing it, and that's why they're trying to make a decision now. Because they know that you're disappointed in them. Because there definitely could have been a third party here. But they feel like they're in their head because they feel like they lost you, Scorpio. They feel like they seriously lost you. And see, that's 2 5s. Like, they're in conflict within themselves. I feel like they're battling themselves, like what to do, what not to do, when should they say something. It's just like back and forth energy. And it's like, yeah, it's just conflict within themselves. They just don't want to argue with you. They want to fix this. And see, at one point they were moving really slow. And now they're picking up the pace. Look at that. They want things to improve, but they know that they stabbed you in the back, and they're hoping you can forgive them. But they don't know if you want to fix this family dynamic, if you even want that anymore. But see, I have 2 10s. Basically, what was going on between the two of you, that cycle, it's over. There's going to be something new starting. But see, this person feels like the seeds that y'all planted, it's not going to grow because they messed up too bad. And they feel like you're not going to take them back. Ooh, Scorpio, leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates for you guys. I hope you enjoyed your reading, and I'll be talking to you soon. Love you. Bye, Scorpio. Love you. Bye, Scorpio. Love you.